It's Nick Smith with E3 Realty and Loans. Welcome to 202 Shoreline Drive in beautiful Pittsburg, California. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and just over 1,500 square feet of living space. We're located downtown by the marina and of course, right next to the Mecca. Take a look at this and I'll catch you guys at the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed that tour. If you want some more information, go check out 202shoreline.com, or you can always call me direct, 925-584-5975, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.